One simple supplement holds the key to lifting the dark cloud of depression. For years, antidepressants and therapy have been the go-to treatments, but what if there's a natural remedy that's been hiding in plain sight? Depression affects millions, robbing people of joy, focus, and energy, but emerging research points to an incredible element that can offer a transformative solution. And it's not a miracle drug, it's something your body actually craves. Stick with us as we explore how you can truly improve depression. Welcome to Levitas. Does omega-3 work as an antidepressant? Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA, also known as eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid, are powerhouse nutrients with profound effects on brain health. Studies have shown that omega-3 can act as a natural antidepressant, primarily by reducing inflammation and regulating neurotransmitter activity. Chronic inflammation in the brain has been linked to depression, and omega-3 helps by lowering pro-inflammatory cytokines, creating a healthier brain environment. Omega-3 also enhances the fluidity of cell membranes in the brain, improving the efficiency of neurotransmitter receptors. This means better communication between brain cells, which is essential for mood regulation. Clinical trials reveal that people with depression often have lower levels of omega-3, and supplementation has shown significant improvements in mood and emotional stability. Unlike traditional antidepressants, omega-3 works holistically, supporting the brain's overall health rather than targeting one specific pathway. The most compelling evidence comes from studies comparing omega-3 to antidepressants. In mild to moderate cases of depression, omega-3 has proven equally effective without the side effects associated with medication, making it a valuable option for those seeking natural alternatives. How does omega-3 influence serotonin production? Serotonin, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a critical role in mood, emotion, and overall mental health. Omega-3 fatty acids influence serotonin production and function in several ways. First, they improve the fluidity of neuronal membranes, which enhances the release and uptake of serotonin in the brain. This ensures that serotonin can move efficiently through the brain's neural pathways. EPA, in particular, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain, which is crucial for optimal serotonin signaling. Inflammation can disrupt the production and release of serotonin, leading to mood imbalances. By lowering inflammatory markers, omega-3 creates an environment where serotonin can thrive. Additionally, DHA contributes to the structure and function of brain cells, ensuring they remain healthy and capable of producing neurotransmitters like serotonin. A deficiency in omega-3 can lead to a breakdown in this process, which may partly explain the link between low omega-3 levels and higher rates of depression. In essence, omega-3 acts as a foundational nutrient that supports serotonin at every stage, from its production to its release and uptake, making it a critical player in mental health. Can omega-3 reduce anxiety? Anxiety disorders are another area where omega-3 shows promise. Chronic anxiety often involves heightened inflammation and an overactive stress response. Omega-3 helps to modulate these factors, creating a calmer and more balanced brain environment. EPA, in particular, has been found to reduce markers of systemic inflammation that are commonly elevated in individuals with anxiety. Lowering these markers helps to regulate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, also known as the HPA axis, the body's central stress response system. This results in a reduced production of cortisol, the stress hormone, which is often linked to anxiety symptoms. Omega-3 also positively influences neurotransmitters like gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, which is known for its calming effects on the brain. By improving the efficiency of GABA signaling, omega-3 helps to reduce feelings of tension, restlessness, and worry. Clinical studies show that individuals with higher omega-3 intake tend to have lower rates of anxiety, and supplementation has been associated with significant reductions in symptoms. Whether it's mild anxiety or more chronic conditions, omega-3 provides a natural way to promote emotional balance. Is omega-3 effective for postpartum depression? Postpartum depression is a unique challenge, and omega-3s can offer much-needed support. During pregnancy, A mother's omega-3 stores are heavily depleted as DHA is transferred to the developing baby for brain and nervous system development. This leaves the mother vulnerable to deficiencies that can contribute to postpartum depression. Research shows that DHA supplementation during and after pregnancy helps restore omega-3 levels, reducing inflammation and supporting hormonal balance. These effects are crucial for stabilizing mood during the postpartum period, making omega-3 a valuable ally for new mothers. How does it compare to conventional antidepressants? While antidepressants are often the first line of treatment for depression, they are not without limitations. Many come with side effects such as weight gain, fatigue, and sexual dysfunction. Additionally, some individuals experience little to no benefit from these medications, leading researchers to explore alternatives like omega-3. Omega-3 differs from antidepressants in that it addresses underlying factors contributing to depression, such as inflammation and neuronal health, rather than targeting serotonin pathways alone. This holistic approach makes it effective not just for improving mood but also for supporting overall brain function. In some studies, omega-3 supplementation has been shown to match the efficacy of antidepressants for mild to moderate depression. Moreover, combining omega-3 with the first-line treatment appears to enhance their effectiveness, allowing for lower dosages and potentially reducing side effects. For individuals looking for a natural, well-tolerated option, omega-3 stands out as a compelling alternative. While it may not replace antidepressants in very severe cases, its broad benefits make it a valuable tool in managing depression. What is the best EPA and DHA ratio for mental health? When it comes to mental health, not all omega-3 supplements are created equal. Research suggests that a higher ratio of EPA to DHA is most effective for mood disorders like depression and anxiety. A ratio of approximately 2:1 EPA to DHA has been shown to yield the best results. EPA's potent anti-inflammatory properties directly address brain inflammation, a key factor in depression. While DHA supports structural brain health, EPA's targeted action on mood regulation makes it the star player for mental health. Choosing a supplement with this specific ratio ensures maximum effectiveness. Can regular consumption of omega-3s prevent depression entirely? Omega-3 isn't just a remedy, it's a preventative powerhouse. Regular consumption helps maintain optimal brain function, reducing the risk of developing depression in the first place. Its anti-inflammatory effects keep brain inflammation at bay, while its role in serotonin regulation ensures stable mood and emotional well-being. Omega-3 also protects against the structural decline associated with aging, such as the shrinking of brain regions like the hippocampus, which is linked to depression. Additionally, omega-3 strengthens the brain's resilience to stress by regulating the HPA axis, preventing chronic stress from spiraling into depression. Long-term studies have found that individuals with higher omega-3 intake are significantly less likely to experience depression, even when exposed to life stressors. This preventative effect highlights the importance of including omega-3 rich foods, like fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, or high-quality supplements in your daily routine. It's not just about treating depression, it's about building a foundation for lifelong mental health. In conclusion, omega-3 fatty acids have emerged as a groundbreaking tool in mental health, offering both therapeutic and preventative benefits for depression. Unlike conventional antidepressants that target specific neurotransmitter pathways, omega-3 addresses broader issues like brain inflammation and neuronal health, making it a holistic option for mood regulation. Through its influence on serotonin production, omega-3 enhances neurotransmitter efficiency while reducing inflammation, creating an environment conducive to emotional balance. EPA's anti-inflammatory effects and DHA's structural support work synergistically, with an optimal 2:1 EPA to DHA ratio, proving most effective for mental health. Omega-3's benefits extend to reducing anxiety, supporting postpartum recovery, and complementing traditional antidepressants, even enhancing their efficacy. Moreover, its preventative potential safeguards against depression by bolstering brain resilience and maintaining structural integrity. Whether through diet or supplementation, omega-3 represents a powerful ally in the pursuit of mental well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.